Let's go ahead and do this problem. We want to use integration by parts to integrate 10x times secant squared of x with respect to x. If you haven't done this, push pause on the video and do this on your own, but I'm going to show the solution. Just like earlier, we have to decide what is our f prime and what is our g. Because we have a trig function along with a polynomial, we set the f prime to be the trig function and the g to be the polynomial. In order to find the other two functions that we need to use, the g prime and the f, in order to find the f, we take the antiderivative of secant squared. The antiderivative of secant squared is tangent plus any constant, but we use a constant of 0 to make things a little bit easier. The derivative of 10x is 10. Now that I have the f prime, the f, the g, and the g prime, I know that this integration is going to be equal to f times g minus the integration of g prime times f, or f times g prime. Again, that's the integration by parts formula. We integrate f prime g. F prime is secant squared, g is 10x. So that's our integration we're looking for. And we turn that into f times g minus the integration of f times g prime. That's our integration by parts formula. In our case, f times g is 10x times tangent x minus integration of f times g prime. G prime is 10, f is tangent x, and there you go. The 10x times tangent x can be left alone as our first integration piece. In order to integrate tangent, it's easier to rewrite tangent as sine of x divided by cosine of x. And if you set u equals cosine, then the derivative is negative sine times dx. I'm using a u substitution. So what is happening is I'm trying to integrate tangent. On the integration part, I'm going to set u equals cosine of x. And then my du dx exchange will be negative sine of x dx. So negative sine x, I can, if I wanted to, pull that negative on the inside, make that plus integrate 1 du over u. You get natural log of u. So in short, here's what we get. I left the 10x tan x alone without any substitutions. If you wanted to use substitutions, you could, but we don't need to. We only needed to integrate the actual integration piece here. And then the u can get replaced with cosine x. This is the final answer. to what is the antiderivative of 10x times secant squared x. As you can see in this example, it was another polynomial times trig function. If you have a polynomial times a trig function or a polynomial times e to the x, we're going to make that polynomial be the g, and then our f prime is going to be the trig function or e to the x. But there you go. That's how you do that problem.